this is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Abdul. Abdul's been trading with us from the 5th of April up until the present date of review, 11th of June 2021. Abdul's got a daily gain of 0.25%, a monthly gain of 7.77%, and a drawdown of 24.41%, which is 2 times and a quarter of the allowable drawdown limit. This is a lot, but we have to understand Abdul's very unique because this is over a period of time. Abdul is now managing $60,000 US. So what's happened here now is that Abdul has hit the drawdown once or twice during his journey. So we're going to go down and scroll down and understand how he's done this. Abdul has traded 1,043 times over the time he's joined us on the FTP program. And if we look at Abdul's strike rate, Abdul's won 844 out of 1,043 trades. This represents 81%, so an 81% successful rate. And Abdul's lost 199 out of 1,043 trades, which represents 19%. So overall, Abdul's done very well in terms of his success rate and his loss rate. So let's look at the pairs Abdul's traded to help him achieve the 10% multiple times to go on to manage $60,000 US. And if we look at the total lots traded, Abdul's traded a total of 873 lots, which is a significant amount. And looking at the summary of trades, we can see Abdul's traded quite a few pairs from the Euro AUD, the Euro US dollar, Pound CHF, Pound Yen, Pound US dollar Swiss franc, and US dollar yen. Abdul's biggest gain is on the Pound US dollar, where he's had a total of 987 trades and won 126 pips, whereas he's traded the Euro US dollar and won 428.7 pips. But due to the lot sizes used, we can see where the significant gains came in place. So looking at the monthly analytics, Abdul was down in April when he first started the program by minus 17.35%. So Abdul hit drawdown on the first attempt. So probably more likely he had a conversation with the risk manager, and Abdul came back the next month to double that, almost double that, and finished with 33.51%. And at the current month now, Abdul's on 8.36%. So what has Abdul done differently? Abdul's clearly sat down, had a trading plan, and learned from his mistakes, and he has become a better trader. But at the end of the day, if we look at his success rate, which is 81%, Abdul's done very well. So all I can say is keep doing what you're doing and pay attention to detail on how you get in and out of the market, and do not overtrade. One thing I would like to highlight is always put a stop loss in place on your trades, as it will protect you from uncertainty, and it will also reduce your potential deficits. So that's something to take on board. And at the end of the day, as a trader, you need to control your trade. That's why you got a stop loss. But if you don't utilize a stop loss, you're not in control of the situation, and it's just going to lead to paranoia and anxiety, a lot of emotions going on, and eventually you're going to have that psychological disadvantage and lose the trade altogether. But other than that said, this is a well performed account, and congratulations on what you've done, and I look forward to reviewing the account on the next level, $120,000 US.